Okay, I'm at Trenton Apartments, which is 800 Southwest Trenton Street here in Seattle. It's coming off of 9th Avenue Southwest. It's a pretty quiet drive down through here, but we've got striping, and then I just added concrete and asphalt to this job. All right, so what we want to do is look at the stall numbering first inside these carports, as well as where that Land Rover is on the end. 12-inch numbers. We need stencils 1 through 17, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then over here we have stalls 8 through 17. Okay, so that means there's no stall lines in here right now. They're all gone. But we're gonna go from the concrete edge here, 8 foot stall widths, and then go 18-foot lengths. There's wheel stops all along the fence there, so you gotta kind of work around the wheel stops, but you can paint the stripe to the wheel stop. You don't have to go past it. 8-foot widths though, and I need 10 stalls all the way down to the railroad tie. And please make sure to put a stall stripe against the railroad tie there. All right, then you need to number them 8 through 17. Okay, so that's it for the striping. Stall lines here with stall numbering, and then just 12-inch stall numbering in here. If you want to know how far to come off, you can go right off of this concrete edge and go 12 inches in. 12 inches, and that would be the bottom of the number, right where my foot is. Okay, for asphalt, this area right here, we want to make another stall here, and then put the word visitor, 12-inch visitor right here, or 8-inch, whatever we have, it doesn't matter. Either one. But we want to do an asphalt pad here, so we would cut an existing asphalt, as you can see here. Cut along that. Come out 8 feet from the concrete edge and 18 feet that direction. That means a little bit of dig out right here. So we got to dig out this brush and dirt and concrete. Those concrete blocks can get moved over up onto that little hill right there if we need to, in order to take this asphalt all the way back to this joint here. So you're going to go 8 foot out and then 18 feet. 18 feet down. Okay? This slopes out towards the roadway, so we want to make sure we keep it kind of sloped that direction and not running onto the concrete. Okay, so an 8 foot by 18 foot asphalt pad there. And we'll go 2-inch depth. Okay? We need to add 2 wheel stops. We don't want one in this stall and then one right here. We want to take the difference in the spacing that they did with the other wheel stops, space a little bit, put a wheel stop probably right about here. That's how that 6-foot one will stay. And then the other one will kind of, it'll either hover on that, or we'll just have to slide it over a little bit and put it into that stall, since it's kind of sloped this way and it's sloped there, so it's kind of crowned slightly. Okay, last thing down here is they want to make a concrete pad to put these these dumpsters on. So starting from this seam right here, I'm gonna go 14 feet over, 14 feet, and then go back 6 feet. So 14 by 6 pad to hold both of these dumpsters. And they want to make sure it's strong enough. So if we had to put some mesh in there, it might be a good idea, because those will get heavy. But maybe we won't have to, since it's such a small pad. The other thing too is we want to add 2 wheel stops on the very back edge of it, so that they don't roll off. We want to make it level on this concrete pad. Okay, that's it. Some stall striping, some stall numbering, a concrete pad, add some wheel stops, and do an asphalt pad out here. Any questions, let me know. They They don't mind this going sometime in September. This job is for Wilson Management. We've done some bids for them. I think we've kind of hit and missed on some of our projects. No one's really taking over the account right now, so we'll see how this goes. Thanks.